What's up? Good morning, gang. How are you guys doing today? Now, I've already been rocking and rolling this morning. Just to be honest, I got up around 6:30. Uh, Set up my spin bike routine. Did that already. Knocked it out. Showered, shaved. Um, did my copywriting. Did my journaling for a half an hour. Did my affirmations this morning. Did my meditation. Okay, stretching, and now I'm about to go down and eat breakfast. And it is, as I'm doing this video, 8:30 in the morning. And all I have to do now after I eat breakfast is write for the rest of the day. Okay, do an afternoon video, obviously, and an evening spin bike. But um, I'm home, and we're shut until April 6th right now. So I am making sure that I am the most productive I could possibly be. Now, the worst thing in the world, you guys, and I'm telling you this, if you think about it, the worst thing in the world is going back to work, right? Because this will eventually be over. Going back to work and being the same you as when you left work, right? Being the same you as when you left work, having the same problems as when you were at work, living in the same body that you had, that you complained about when you were at work, having some of the same habits that you had when you were at work. Now is the time, right? Because your only circle of influence, if you're practicing social distancing, is yourself and your family. So now is the time, guys. Now is the time to make sure that you make proper changes to your life. This is your moment. This is your epiphany, as I would like to say. Your epiphany of realization that your life needs to change, and this is the time to do it. And I'm talking to you, and I'm talking to all the world. This is your time for change. So today's chapter that I'm writing about is failing to be a person of good ethics, extremely good ethics, and great character, right? A little reverse. Extremely good character and great ethics. Now, character obviously is the person you are when nobody is watching, right? When the video turns off, when the red light's no longer blinking, you are off the air, you are not on social media, and you are living your each and everyday life. Now, I'm telling everybody this because I'm trying to be fully transparent on my journey to become a millionaire. And in my route to become a millionaire, the person that I am on video, that I'm giving value, has to be the person whose life that I'm living each and every day. So you guys get a 5-minute clip, maybe 10-minute clip at the most on my daily videos. But behind the scenes, the amount of work that I have to put in that is off video is tremendous, right? I'm constantly reading books, repeatedly have to read this book over and over and over again. I have to physically stay in shape because guess what? If you're going to live a six-figure lifestyle, you better be able to live it. And you can't live it if you're not in shape, if you're bedridden. So I have family that I have to take care of. That's important. I have to be definitely giving value to them each and every day. We sat down, had dinner last night, had a nice family discussion. Freaking awesome, man. And as a team, we did dishes, cleaned up. And my children are adults now, so to have them do that and have them step in and just help out, it feels fantastic. And that is valuable. That is actually a bonus for everybody being stuck at home, just having your family with you. And the next thing is journaling. I'm constantly journaling with thoughts. And the great part now that I'm journaling with my thoughts, and I showed y'all this. It looks like crazy writing, so you probably won't be able to interpret that. But um, as I'm journaling now, everybody in my family knows I'm journaling. People around me know that I'm constantly journaling. I'm always writing my thoughts, ideas, business ideas, things that I'm thinking about my book, value that I'm thinking about doing, collaborations that I'm thinking about being a part of. And I'm always doing that. So now when people see me, they be like, hey, write this in your journal. You know, my wife would be like, she'll be walking by and she should say, what do you think about this for the business? Or what do you think about that for the business? And she has great ideas, and I write them down. Now, I may not implement them immediately in my business, but I know that she has some great instinct. And so I need to always write it down, because if I come back around to it, I think it can be very powerful. So journaling is extremely powerful. I'm always doing my affirmations. My affirmations kind of keep me in my proper mindset. So when I do my affirmations, I do them in the morning, as soon as I wake up, so that it's the first thoughts on my mind. I do them in the evening before I go to bed, so it's the last thing that I think about before I close my eyes. And I'm telling you guys, this is key, because so many things flash through your mind. Thoughts. I think you have like 1,000 thoughts a minute, something like that. But so many thoughts and things flash through your mind that it can grab a hold of you, right? Grab a hold of you and totally veer you off course. You know, I think about stupid stuff. Like, I was just sitting here earlier today before I got on video, and I was writing, doing some copywriting, and having to look over. I cleaned my gutters out yesterday because they were getting full. And so I'm sitting here today, and I imagine myself falling off the ladder. Has nothing, it didn't happen, right? It was an imagined thought, but it distracted me for that moment, okay, while I was copywriting. So that is why you have to constantly be speaking your affirmations. I say mine in the day and at night, but all day I'm constantly talking about my definite chief aim in life. All day. $100,000 in my bank account by June 1st, and all my bills being paid with ease. And I say that over and over and over again all day long, because I'm trying to program my mind to think about that and not about all the other crazy stuff that's going on. So hopefully that's a good tip for you guys this morning. Got to drink some water. A spin bike got me a little bit dehydrated. So, but anyway, hopefully I've given you guys some value this morning. You can use that. Write down 2 things that you want. Say them all day long. All day long. All right? I'll talk to you guys later. Deuces.